I'm still quite not used to knowing what to expect when I come here.
It's a lot more spacious.
It was a bit strange at first.
It's a very unique experience.
Like, it was pretty easy to adapt to.
Come prepared to interact and come prepared to learn.
So today we were doing a class debate. So we wanted to set up the classroom so that we have the groups of students in their respective teams, but also when the other students who are not debating are also in groups so that they can interact with each other while they're reviewing the other debates. When we're using Cameron B-12, we typically limit instructor lecturing to 15-20 minutes or less.
The first time around it was sort of awkward. I'm used to teaching in the conventional lectures, forward-facing the students. Got over that pretty quick, and now it's just kind of neat to have the flexibility, setting up the desks however we want.
So we've set up the room where we've got 6 or so people surrounding one of the digital boards.
We've done the half circles, and we've done rows, and then today in the debate was probably our third setup. Definitely, if you're going to teach in this room, it's good for group work.
So I think that's a key rule, is don't do a lot of lecturing in this room and use its potential to do more interactive activities with the students. So this room works really well for those days where we want maximum student interaction.
Once you walk in, it's essentially an experience where you get to contribute to how the lesson is being taught. It's more personalized.
It's a lot more open than the other classrooms. You get your own little personal desk, so I like that. And they're movable too, so then if you need to work beside certain people, then you can form groups very easily.
And we get to interact more, we get to use the smart screens. It just makes a much more interactive experience.
It's just like a more natural environment where the professor can walk around.
Basically, it's a normal class, but it's severely enhanced by all the use of technology.
When you're doing new things like that, outside of the box type of activities in the classroom, you have to be prepared to troubleshoot and figure out what to do if it goes wrong. So definitely take the time to consult with CTL staff.
Definitely learn how to operate all the equipment in here. I remember when we first ran this room, it took a little while to get going.
Have a little workshop in here, come into the space beforehand and get used to the space, learn how to use the equipment.
Make sure that you're tapping into all the different, you have the projector, you have the different boards, they can do different things.
There's so much that this technology can do, and our course has just skimmed the surface.
So I'm learning to give away the control quite a bit now, so I actually kind of like it and let the students do a lot of the work.
Try new things, think outside the box, try and encourage different styles of learning and allow students to explore their learning more as we explore our instructional abilities too.